this St. Patrick's Day will be like no other. We're living through strange times, where things we took for granted are anything but certain. We have all had to adapt our mindset, our means, and our imagination. However, one thing that remains constant is Ireland's special relationship with our nearest neighbour. The UK has always been and remains Ireland's largest single trading partner. And this year, through innovation and collaboration, Irish companies have helped the UK navigate through the emerging and unprecedented challenges that the last 12 months have presented. Nearform have helped limit the spread of COVID-19 by creating the official contact tracing app of Northern Ireland, Scotland and Jersey. SilverCloud have provided remote, on-demand, digital mental health and well-being care across the entire NHS for both its workforce and patients. Aerogen have delivered aerosol medication to ventilated patients and is collaborating on the development of over 15 potential COVID-19 inhaled therapies. Vilicom rapidly equipped NHS Nightingale hospitals with vital mobile and data networks to ensure staff and patients could keep connected with friends and family. Novartis, technology that inactivates airborne viruses and bacteria, has given clean air to hospitals, dental clinics and businesses across the UK. The Tauglass Crowd Insight solution is helping UK city councils with safe social distancing and movement analytics by utilising existing Wi-Fi infrastructure. Vitalograph's remote monitoring solutions have helped the NHS support respiratory patients at home during the pandemic. SwiftQ have assisted NHS trusts in managing safe COVID-19 testing and vaccine appointments across the UK. And Dayon are allowing airlines to safely welcome back customers via digital health passport Verifly. Now, more than ever, we can see the importance of the Irish-UK relationship and the incredible things that can happen when we come together. So, while we may not be able to celebrate together as we usually would, we certainly have a lot to be proud of this St. Patrick's Day.